mean Christian. Christian, you excited? Jamie.
Look, I'm stairway element. Where are they?
Yeah.
Oh, that place is
Jamie, trade sides with Christian.
No, I want to right
So I can video record.
Welcome aboard, girls and boys, ladies and gentlemen.
Your head
Thank you for
is in the
riding with
way.
us on the Red Diamond Express.
Christian, sit right here.
Now, before we go to this feed, to remind you, please, not to stand up during the train ride. Also, keep those hands, feet, arms, and legs inside while we're traveling, please. And remain in your seats until we come all the way back here and come to a complete stop. All right, folks, now before we go, let's get all aboard from you on the count of 3. Y'all ready? Out as you can. Here
Ready?
we go. 1, 2, 3. All aboard. All right, here we go.
awesome. There's speakers.
Keep your hands and feet in the... No, don't do that. We're about to leave. Here we go. You ready? Here we go. You having fun?
Folks, over here you'll see our 2 waterfowl ponds. In those ponds we have Japanese koi, a variety of fish, also painted and soft-shelled turtles. That stone wall and stairwell there dates way back to the early zoo days of the 1930s. There on the left, we have the entrance to our new exhibit that opened this spring, Trails of Africa, and it features our 3 African male elephants, Johnny, Mowagi, and Callie. Now, we will be receiving a 4th elephant from Dresden, Germany before too long. When he arrives, we will have the very first all-male elephant herd ever formed in the U.S. Zoo. As we come around the turn here, you'll see those 2 European swans out here. Here on the right is the Children's Zoo. It was added on in 2003. And there's plenty of fun for the kids to have right here. You got plenty to climb on, kids. You got the rope bridge and big spider web. We also have our foam zone bubbles and water spouts to play in. Here's our children's play area. Some kids having a good time in the water. And we have our carousel here as well. Behind it is the Alabama Barn and Petting Zoo. Over there you can get up close to some of those farm animals. Also located back in this area is Granny's Butterfly Garden and Alabama Wilds. At Alabama Wilds you'll see those animals native to our state, such as our sandhill cranes, otters, beavers, eastern wild turkey. And in Granny's Butterfly Garden, that's a great place for you folks to take pictures of your loved ones. Here on the left is the predator zone where you'll find our Malaysian tiger Kumar, 2 African lions, Kwanzaa and Akili. Now Kwanzaa and Akili have 5 new baby cubs. They were born about 3 weeks ago. And they're all fine doing well. Here on the Savannah, you'll see our giraffe. We have 5 of those. Also zebra, kudu, gazelle, ostrich, all those up here. And here we are at the train tunnel. It's your chance to scream and shout some more if you like.
Going into the tunnel.
Oh, here we go. Yeah. Yep. Look, Ethan. Look.
Here we are on the southern side of Trails of Africa now. 14-acre enclosure is modeled after the natural habitat of the
Yep.
elder. Last trip around, we were able to see one of our 10-year-olds, Johnny.
Army one.
If we can find him again, we have another 10-year-old, Callie. Now he's over there in the bowl yard right now. Callie weighs in about 5,000 pounds. And Milwaukee is indoors right now. He'll be out later on. He's the oldest of the group at 30. And he's also the heaviest at 13,000 pounds. Okay, folks, he's well hidden. Don't see him. Okay, here he is, right here on the left. That is the Johnny. He weighs in about 7,000 pounds.
Have you seen it?
He came to us about 4 months ago from the Indianapolis Zoo where he was born.
Right there, look.
Look. See it? Right here, right here. See it? Cool. See it? I know.
This building you see right here is called the Elephant Lair. That's where elephants go in at night, spend the night indoors.
Yep. This is the train tracks. Look at the birds. Look. Look.
And here we have our 2 crane enclosures. Now those first cranes you see are red crown cranes. They get their names from that little red patch on top of their head. Now folks, look close. It's not a patch of feathers. It's actually a little patch of skin. But they can inflate like a balloon when they
Oh,
are
it's a
cut by a
baby.
predator. And right here we have the white-neck cranes. Now that little crane there was born a week ago. And that is big news for these particular birds because they are on the endangered species list. There's only about 1,200 of them left in the wild, and
There's
this
a
is
baby over
her
there.
first success as being a mother. So it is really
Yep,
big
we
news
missed
for
it.